The Solax MobiFree Flat is a lightweight, manual folding mobility scooter that offers all the features that you love from other scooters in the MobiFree range. Its unique design allows the scooter to be folded flat and easily be set up for quick use. The MobiFree Flat offers exceptional maneuverability, has a tight turning circle and a reverse function. It also includes a plane-safe lithium battery, adjustable tiller height and angle, puncture-proof tires and rear anti-tip wheels. And in just a few steps, the Solax MobiFree Flat can be quickly folded down for easy storage and transport. For more information on this and other great mobility products, contact Wholesale Mobility. We are 100% Australian owned and operated.